to teach you how to crochet. So to start off with, you need to make a slip knot to go on your hook. So you can either hold the wool, wrap it around your fingers, pull it through, and then put it on your hook, and then pull it tight. Or you can wrap it around your fingers, put your hook through, grab your wool, pull through and pull. So to start crocheting, you need to make chains. So to do that, once you've got your slip knot on, you then wrap your wool round your hook and then pull it through. So that's one chain, and then you can carry on doing chains, and you just put the wool over and pull it through, wool over and pull it through, and carry on. So depending on how big an item you want to make, depends on how many chains you want to do, and also depending on what kind of stitch you want to do, depends on how many extras you want to do. My advice is just practice doing chains before then going on to practice your stitches. And I've done a little sample here where I started off with 12 chains and then plus one because I started with double crochet. And if you watch the next video, I shall show you how to double crochet, or there's also one for half treble crochet and treble crochet. Thank you.